Airbus 320 FMS. Let us move ahead and learn the first steps to understanding the FMS. We learned the basic layout of the FMS in the Airbus 320 aircraft. We also learned some fundamental concepts of the FMS. In this lesson, I will introduce you to the first step to initialize the FMS and also some data presentation conventions. One of the first steps to initialize the FMS is to check the data page. This is done to check if the basic parameters of the data is correct. Just move over the FMS and press the data key. When you press the data key, this screen appears. Notice the title of the page. Notice the page number indications and the slew keys in the same line. This page indicates that this is first page of 2 pages. There are some options to check the position monitoring, as indicated by the FMS. As indicated, you can check the position accuracy of the IRS position, the GPS position, and the aircraft position. We will learn about these in detail in the following lessons. Additionally, there are some print function key. We shall not worry about these now. I want to bring to your attention the important selection at this stage. The aircraft status key. As indicated, you can move to the next page. This is the second page of the 2 pages. There are several navigation data that are loaded. A pilot can check any of these for details. In addition, while flying, the pilot is necessitated to create additional navigation points. If the database does not contain a runway data, the pilot is able to create the same. He is also able to create waypoints, routes, etc. Generally, the major database is supplied by a service provider. If an airline wants, it can customize the data sets depending on their area of operation. Very often, the pilot creates many waypoints that are instructed by the air traffic control. These remain stored in the database. One of the first important steps that you will perform is to check the aircraft status. Let us do it now. From the data page, let us select the line select key of aircraft status. Let us go into the details of the aircraft status page. Firstly, the type of aircraft is displayed. Next, the type and variant of the engine fitted is displayed. See the lines below. As we learned earlier, the database is loaded every 28 days. The FMS retains the data of the one earlier cycle. Here, check that the date of data validity is correct. If a pilot desires, he can select the previous cycle database also. Pressing the appropriate line select key will select the dataset. Warning. Anytime if the database is recycled, the current data loaded in the FMS will be lost. As I explained earlier, there could be several temporary navigation points that could have been entered by the pilot of the previous flight. If you wish to remove all of them, then press the right 5-line select key. The FMS will pre-warn you again for deletions. If you press the line select key once again, the data is deleted. Let me explain the scratch pad. All data entry to the system is first entered at the scratch pad, and then selected at the respective place using the line select keys. It is the bottommost row. In addition, it indicates indicate some system error messages. If an entry already exists, then pressing the delete key will clear the scratch pad. If an entry is to be deleted, then press the clear key. This will indicate the word delete at the scratch pad. Then pressing the line select key will delete the entry at that place. Here, I have tried to give a demo as to how an entry is made using the scratch pad. In this example, the flight number A-320 is being entered using the L3 line select key. The FMS uses 6 different colors to present different displays. Each one will have its meaning. Some displays are in combination of different colors. I have spelled them out. Please go through these. I will be explaining these as and when the displays are required to be done. Here, I have listed different special symbols used by the FMS. Go through these as well. I will explain them as and when we come across them during our following lessons.